just go back through for me without missing your phone, but go with your bag.
My bag?
Yeah, with your bag. Go walk all the way through. Yeah, you're gonna take off your bag. You can do whatever you want with these two. You can put them down however you want. Yeah. But I'll just need you to unzip this. Oh, you have an umbrella as well. And just show me the inside of this bag.
Yeah.
Guys, come through one at a time. All right, so you're good. You can take all your items. You're good to go. Guys, come through one at a time. Come through one at a time. You're good. Straight through. Straight through, guys. Keep making your way down. Keep making your way down, guys. You guys already have tickets? Have you already made a reservation?
Yes, my wife and my son is here.
They're here?
Yeah.
But you said you've already made a reservation?
Yes, yes.
Did you get an email with a blue ticket?
I'll ask them. Can I stay here?
Yes, go for it. Yeah.